Good morning, traders. I hope you're having a good day. And as usual, it's always a good day to trade. So, without further ado, let's begin. Well, for starting, Bank Nifty opened a bit gap up, small gap up, but the trade we have taken just ended within a few minutes, and we were out of the market with 118 points. So, as you could see, entry was triggered quite quickly, and the market just fell from there, but it actually reversed in the end. So you could see at this particular point I was confident that it would hit our first target at 118 points and we would get out of the market because the market was going to be a sideways as per our expectation. So I will explain the entire trade you to you later. Just see how does the market react from here. And you could see the market just started getting awake. So at this particular point I was a bit nervous because the market is gotten a really good uptrending momentum for on previous day. So there is a really high probability that market might get back. This might be a retracement and might move upside really fast. So I started wailing my SL a bit aggressively, and after this I kept it on my entry point. And as you could see, the market wicks just started getting bigger and bigger. And at this point I was particularly nervous, but the second candle was actually a good candle. You could see it formed at the top, but it had a really good downside momentum, and it got down really fast and it hit our target, but we our target was not actually hit until the following few candles, but I exited early because I started seeing a huge wick forming on the second candle also. And remind you, this is the CPR and we are in the uptrend movement. So any retracement to the CPR might be just a small downside momentum, and a follow up would be a really huge upside momentum. So I exited a bit early, which was, I think, not a mistake. It was actually planned because my target was small on today because the market was sideways. So I exited early with 118 points, and market did eventually fall down till top CPR, or the blue line you could see, and it did hit a target of 145 points, but it's we are okay with 120 points also. So let me explain you the reason why I've taken the trade. Reason number one, as per expectation, market after trending day, today is going to be a sideways day. So I was not expecting a 200-300 points momentum on single side. So at first my target was small, so I exited earlier, and as you could see, market also has making a really small range. The reason number one was the if you are familiar with the concept of Camarilla equations, the same equation was happening in this thing. But first, if you're watching this video till now, don't forget to smash that like button and comment down below if you have taken any trade. And if you're not familiar with the concept of Camarilla, do search on Google. You would find a better knowledge there. And let me show you the plan first. You could pause this thing and read it, but let me explain you. The last point was to sell at 35,911 exactly at H3. So there are same level as pivots. H3 is the reversal zone, and if you check on spot chart, you could see the top of the point from which the market began to fall was actually the point where H3 is today, and that was the exact plan which I made in previous night to sell at that particular point. But I didn't sell early because the market was in a really good uptrend. If it have broken that upper level, it can move ahead much more. But since it didn't break it and it came down and started consolidating near previous day high, and it didn't give a spontaneous reaction because you could see the first candle was a really good wick candle, green candle, and I was expecting the same thing if we have to put a buying order, but it didn't happen like that, and it started to form a really good consolidation zone, and the market reversed it. And at that particular point, I take the entry. It was a bit, you would say, rushed entry, and but it did eventually pay it out because we got out of the market really good. And as expected, the market would be a sideways throughout the day within this range point of 200-300 points. So there are not lot of trading opportunities going to be presented. So it's a really good point. So the main reason was because of the Cambrilla equation. Reason number two, the market didn't react to the previous day high zone. So as expected, it should have, after breaking that level, it should have retraced at that particular point and should have given a really good spontaneous momentum. So that didn't take place, and that was the second reason why I shorted there. And the third reason was I was, as per planning based on CPR the previous night, we expected market to be a really good sideways in a sideways direction. So our target was small, our stop loss was also small, and we enter and exit within a couple of minutes. And as you could see at this particular point, market start begin to reverse. So that was in all the trade which we have taken. But I also have a clip from the spot chart. You could see at the particular top level, the market has made a top. That red line is the H3 and the bottom red line is the L3. So it's expected if it gets rejected at H3, the market would eventually travel till L3 to find a really good support area. But because the market made yesterday a really huge momentum, I did not expect the market to travel till L3. It might just get sideways between the H3 top and the top CPR level. So that's for the trade. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to smash that like button. If you have learned something new, comment down below if you know the concept of Cambrilla equations, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, family. Don't forget to subscribe and press that notification bell so you never miss any update from us. And thank you for watching.